Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to forcefully stop any installed apps in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me try to open one application. Say let me open it. So now say I want to forcefully stop this application from running. So what you need to do is just tap and hold on the respective application. And now you'll see here one option written I button. So just click on it. Now at the right bottom corner, you can see here one option written Force Stop. So click on it, click on OK. Now this application will be forcefully stopped and it won't be running in the background. And if you want to forcefully stop any other application, then you can follow the similar method. Say you click on the respective application and click on this I button and you will see the similar option written Force Stop. So you can click on this Force Stop, click on OK. And the respective application will be forcefully stopped. And if you want to rerun it again, then just open the respective application and let us check again if the force stop option is showing up again or not. Let me tap and hold on it and let me click on this I button. Now you can see here the force stop option is showing up since I have opened or rerun this application again. So by using these cool tricks, you can forcefully stop any installed apps in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.